Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can restore your wallet using just your seed words. The seed restore feature on Passport allows you to recover any BIP39 compliant Bitcoin wallet into your Passport, regardless of where it was originally created. If you have multiple seed backups used for different purposes and just a single device to manage them on, this feature can also be used to switch easily between each of them. Additionally, this feature also allows advanced users to generate their own seed using an external tool and bring that with them to Passport. I'm going to start this tutorial from the seed selection screen, and you can access this in one of two ways. The first would be upon following the initial setup, which would be used when turning your device on for the very first time. And the second way to access this screen is after erasing Passport from the advanced menu. This would be used if Passport has already been set up with a seed or backup and you would like to switch to a different seed. If following this process, you must ensure that you have robust backups in place before erasing the device. Failure to do so can result in irreversible loss of funds. You can see our other videos on how to create robust backups for more information. Okay, so assuming that we have completed those steps and we've checked our backups, let's get started with restoring Passport with a seed. So I'm just going to choose Restore Seed. Passport then asks how long the seed is that we are wanting to restore. That could be 12, 18 or 24 words long. For this example, as you can see on screen, I'm going to use a 24-word seed, which is also the default on Passport. Passport then says, Passport uses predictive text import to help you restore seed words. So this is a really cool feature that actually makes inputting seed words really painless. For example, if you want to enter the word car, you would type 227 and then select car from the drop-down list. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter the 24 words that you can see on my backup card there. Passport will immediately save the seed if it is valid, and you will then be met with the familiar primary account screen. And you're free to pair this restored wallet with any software wallet of your choice. Again, we've got multiple videos on how you can do that. And that's it. It could not be simpler to restore your seed words on Passport. If the seed that you are restoring was also protected by a passphrase, you would of course need to come across to the right hand menu to enter that in that screen to access that passphrase protected wallet. And once again, you can see our other video specifically on how you can interact with passphrases on our YouTube channel and our Bitcoin TV channel too.